Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tomatoes, those versatile, flavorful, and colorful fruits, or are they vegetables? Let's settle the age-old debate and explore the fascinating world of tomatoes. So, is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable? The answer might surprise you. Botanically speaking, tomatoes are fruits because they develop from the ovary of a flower and contain seeds. However, in the culinary world, they are often classified as vegetables due to their savory flavor. It's a bit of a paradox, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that tomatoes are. They're rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting our overall health and well-being. Beyond the basics, tomatoes boast an array of other plant compounds like flavonoids and carotenoids. These compounds contribute to the vibrant colors of tomatoes and have been linked to various health benefits. One standout compound is lycopene, a potent antioxidant responsible for the red color of tomatoes. Research suggests that lycopene may help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancers. Speaking of health benefits, let's explore some more. Tomatoes have been associated with improved skin health, thanks to their antioxidant properties. Including tomatoes in your diet may help protect your skin from the inside out. Ever wonder how those tomatoes in the grocery store get that perfect ripeness? Commercially, tomatoes undergo a ripening process involving ethylene gas. It's a fascinating journey from the farm to your plate. Before we wrap up, let's address safety and side effects. While tomatoes are generally safe for most people, some may be allergic. Also, for those with certain conditions like acid reflux, excessive tomato consumption may need to be monitored. And there you have it, folks. Tomatoes, a culinary enigma with a wealth of nutritional benefits. Whether you consider them a fruit or a vegetable, one thing's for sure, they're a delicious addition to any meal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of food. Until next time, happy eating.